Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Do English. In today's lesson, we will cover part 2 of preposition. This is the sixth lesson in our Parts of Speech series. If you're new here to this channel, click on the subscribe button and also the bell notification so that you are instantly notified every time a new video is out. Stay with me till the end as we grow and expand our knowledge. Let us get into the lesson. Let us quickly recap what we learned about preposition in our last lesson. Prepositions are words that connects a noun or pronoun with the rest of the words in a sentence. Now, prepositions by structure can be divided into 5 different types. The first one being simple prepositions. Simple prepositions consists of one word and they are not compounded with any other word. These prepositions are the most commonly found prepositions like for, by, at, on, off, to, off. For example, I'm meeting him at the plaza. He is in a meeting. The book is on the table. Double prepositions. Double prepositions can be formed by combining two simple prepositions. Double prepositions are within, into, upon, onto, out of, etc. Now, if we look at the preposition within, it is formed by combining the preposition with and the preposition in. Likewise with the other prepositions mentioned here. For example, he went into the room. He came up with a solution within an hour. I chanced upon an interesting article today. Compound prepositions. These prepositions consists of two or more words. They can be formed by combining at least one non-prepositional word and a simple preposition. Compound prepositions are according to, apart from, along with, in addition to, on behalf of, in the middle of, in front of, prior to, etc. For example, according to the weather report, it is supposed to be sunny today. Note that in this example, according is a non-prepositional word and to is a simple preposition. He spoke on behalf of the team. I am in the middle of setting up my business. Participle prepositions. Participle preposition is a verb ending in ed and ing that functions as a preposition. Participle prepositions are given, during, considering, regarding, provided, according, including, owing, etc. For example, she talked to me concerning her studies. I will be including everyone in the email. According to her, it's going to be a great year. Phrase prepositions. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that acts as a unified part of speech. Now, prepositions require an object to complete them, either a noun or a pronoun. Now, phrase prepositions are by virtue of, for the sake of, in compliance with, by means of, in comparison to, in spite of, with reference to, etc. Now, let's construct some sentences here with the help of phrase prepositions. For example, in spite of all the odds, he succeeded. In comparison to David, Tim has had a good year so far. He undertook a long journey by means of a bicycle. Now, the last type of preposition would be disguised prepositions. Disguised prepositions are those that are not used in a sentence but are implied. Be would mean by, A would mean on, O would mean off. For example, I met her at 5 o'clock. When we say o'clock, it would mean 5 o'clock. She went a dancing would mean she went on dancing. I hope this lesson was very useful and thorough in understanding all about prepositions. quick reminder again to subscribe, share, and like my videos for more such content. I'm committed to your learning and progress, so let me know how my videos are helping you progress in your journey to learning English. I will see you all next week with another video. Till then, goodbye.